everyone, welcome to the Moodle Minute. I'm Marni with quick tips to make teaching with Moodle easier and faster. Today's topic, how to transfer a course from Moodle Archive into the current Moodle site. Every 2 years, GTS rotates Moodle servers. Courses from fall 2024 through summer 2026 have been moved to the Moodle Archive server, allowing us to start fresh with Moodle 5.2 and to keep only current courses on the new site. So what if you want to copy content from an older course into your current course? In this video, I'll show you how to do exactly that. Before we get started, here are a few important things to note. Faculty can only copy academic courses. If you have any non-academic Moodle courses you'd like moved, please submit a ticket to the GTS Helpline and we'll take care of it for you. You can only copy courses where you are the instructor. If you need content from another instructor's course, you'll need permission from that instructor or the current department chair, and that person will need to submit a GTS Helpline ticket. You can only restore courses that are 100 megabytes or smaller. If your backup file is larger than 100 megabytes, please submit a GTS Helpline ticket and we'll move it for you. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Moodle Archive server at moodle-archive.gac.edu. Open the course you would like to copy. At the top of the course, click More and go down and click Course Reuse. In the upper left-hand corner, click Backup. You'll see several backup options, but for most courses, the default settings are exactly what you want. Scroll down and click Jump to Final Step. Moodle will now create a backup file for your course. Depending on the size of this course, this may take a few seconds or several minutes. When the backup is complete, you'll see a green confirmation message indicating it was created successfully. Click Continue. Next, scroll down to the User Private Backup area and locate the backup file with today's date. Check the file size. If this is over 100 megabytes, you'll need to stop here and submit a GTS Helpline ticket so we can complete the transfer for you. If it's 100 megabytes or smaller, click Download. The backup file with a .mbz extension will be saved to your computer's Downloads folder. Now navigate to the current Moodle site at moodle.gustavus.edu. Open the course you want to copy the content into. At the top of the course, click More and select Course Reuse. This time, click Restore. Locate the MBZ file in your Downloads folder and drag it into this backup file area. Once the file is uploaded, click Restore. Scroll down and click Continue. Scroll down to Restore into this course. Make sure Merge the backup course into this course is selected and click Continue. Keep the default settings and click Next. On the next screen, you can uncheck any items you don't want to copy. However, it's usually easier to copy everything and delete what you don't want afterwards than to repeat this entire process. When you're ready, scroll down and click Next. The final screen summarizes everything that will be restored. If you need to make changes, click Previous. Otherwise, click Perform Restore. If you see these red warning boxes during the restore process, don't panic. In Moodle 5, question banks can be shared across courses, so if your course used a question bank, Moodle is simply creating the new shared question bank locations. These warnings are expected and can safely be ignored. Scroll down and click Continue. The restore process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your course. When the restore process is finished, Moodle will display a confirmation message. Click Continue. And that's it! Your course content has been copied over and is ready for you to update for the new semester. If you have any questions or run into any issues, contact the GTS Helpline at 507-933-6111 or email at helpline@gustavus.edu. And that's your Moodle Minute. Thanks for watching!